Watch this snippet of the incident. This is a series intended to make you think for yourself. Don't let anyone misguide you when it comes to your own safety. Feeling safe doesn't mean you are, not even in the sanctity of your own home.
To a pile of people and shattered glass and splintered wood. Yellow pillows, dots among the remains. A massive response rushed to the home along the Pacific Coast Highway just after 5 p.m., triaging and treating patients on the sidewalk. 4 were sent to local hospitals, 5 others treated on scene. Emotional and some clearly physically hurt, stunned guests filled the street along with first responders.
Why do balconies collapse? What to do to make sure that yours will not collapse. After this last weekend's incident, I saw the news about the balcony collapse, and I was shocked to see that the news were hinting that the problem was the excessive number of people on the balcony, and was also the main reason for the collapse.
Firefighters told us it appeared the deck was overcrowded, and they've now deemed the home unsafe to occupy.
Not sure what that deck would be rated at, but for a residential home, that would appear to be a lot of persons on that, and potentially a lot of weight.
Even the owners were blaming the renters for having a party on the space that they were renting, so they were to blame, according to the owners.
Now, the home's owner, who would not go on camera, told us that she rented out the house with the agreement that no more than 6 people would be in there at any one time. When neighbors reported seeing dozens of people arriving, she told us she was pleading with the renter for more than 3 hours to leave, to get those people out of there.
This is just ridiculous. Eventually, most of us will have a party on our balconies, especially if it is facing the ocean. Or our kids will have one when we are not around. Balconies and patios, like that one that collapsed, are supposed to be over-engineered to support accidental loads, which is exactly what it was, an accidental load.
There to be a lot of persons on that, and potentially a lot of weight.
The reasons for the collapse will be revealed soon, but I already know what the report will say.
Firefighters told us it appeared the deck was overcrowded, and they've now deemed the home unsafe to occupy.
The culprits will be: number 1, dry rot. Especially structures facing the ocean are known for this problem. Number 2, hardware rust, which is a result of the salinity in the water particles that land on the hardware, rusting out the metal. Number 3, possibly some termite damage. You know those insects, they eat it up and it collapses. All these culprits are found in these areas very often. In some rare cases, building techniques or improper engineering can also be part of the problem. But at no point they should mention the accidental load, because there was a live load, people. Balconies are supposed to withstand a maximum capacity of people standing shoulder to shoulder. So, also because that wasn't even a dead load. You know, sometimes you have materials stored or heavy furniture loads. Instead, it was only accidental human load, which the balcony is designed to and supposed to support. How do you prevent something like this from happening? Have an inspection done by a professional. Make sure you have your balcony structural framing inspected in order to prevent a tragedy like that one. You can book a paid assessment from any reputable contractor or engineering company. If you live in Los Angeles, Malibu, Santa Monica, or anywhere around here, one of our sponsors, The Ultimate Handyman or The Ultimate Pro Inc., can help you with a paid assessment. Have it inspected by a professional. Make sure you have your balcony structural framing inspected in order to prevent a tragedy on your property. You can book a paid assessment from a reputable contractor or engineering company. If you're planning a party, I would strongly recommend an assessment. After the inspection, that usually takes about 1 hour to perform and 7 business days to complete, a report is forwarded to you with every detail, visual inspection reported back to you in plain English, including pictures and recommendations. It is worth every penny. And if anything was found to be defective, like dry rot, damaged wood, or faulty hardware, the report will be indicating the next steps. And also method of repairs and possible price for that correction. Watch this video again and tell us what you think the owner of this house should have done before renting this home. Please follow, subscribe, and press that doohickey thingy. The bell thingy, I have no idea what it does, but I've heard that helps us immensely, so do it. Thank you for watching another one of our videos here in Explanation, where finding a solution to your construction project is my #1 priority. I hope you have a wonderful day and keep on smiling. Until next time, stay excellent with Explanation.